Imagine rolling forward with absolute confidence, knowing that beneath you is a machine built not just to ride, but to dominate the road and the trail alike. The Deepower S8 Electric Bicycle is designed for riders who refuse to choose between raw power and everyday practicality. From the moment the motors engage, this bike makes one thing clear: it was engineered for serious performance. At the core of the Deepower S8 is its dual-drive system, unleashing a combined 3,500 watts of power through both the front and rear motors. This dual-motor setup completely transforms the riding experience. Acceleration is immediate and forceful, yet controlled, pushing you forward with authority whether you're launching from a standstill or charging up a steep incline. Power is evenly distributed across both wheels, delivering exceptional traction and stability, especially on loose surfaces, rough terrain, or uneven roads. Hills that once demanded effort now feel effortless, and long stretches of open road invite you to ride farther and faster with confidence. Supporting this immense power is a massive 48V 60AH removable battery, built for riders who hate limits. This high-capacity energy system allows you to cover long distances without constantly checking your remaining charge. On a single ride, the Deepower S8 can comfortably handle extended commutes, long off-road sessions, or full-day adventures without compromise. The removable design adds everyday convenience, letting you charge the battery indoors, at work, or wherever it suits your routine. It's freedom, not just in distance, but in how you live with the bike day to day. The ride itself feels solid and commanding, thanks to the 20-inch fat tires designed to thrive on all terrain. These wide tires bite confidently into dirt, gravel, sand, and broken pavement, delivering outstanding grip and balance. They also play a major role in comfort, absorbing vibrations and smoothing out rough sections of road. Whether you're carving through city streets or venturing off the beaten path, the bike remains planted and predictable, giving you a reassuring sense of control at all times. Everything about the Deepower S8 speaks to durability and adult-focused design. The frame is strong, rugged, and purpose-built to handle both the power of the dual motors and the demands of real-world riding. It feels stable at speed and dependable under load, making it suitable for daily commuting, recreational riding, or aggressive off-road use. This is not a fragile or lightweight toy. It's a serious electric bicycle built to endure and perform. What truly sets the Deepower S8 apart is how seamlessly it blends brute strength with rideability. Despite its impressive power output, the bike remains smooth, balanced, and surprisingly manageable. You're not fighting the machine, you're working with it. Every push of the throttle, every turn of the handlebars, and every mile traveled feels intentional and controlled. The Deepower S8 isn't just about getting from one place to another. It's about changing how you experience the journey. It gives you the confidence to explore farther, climb higher, and ride harder than ever before. For riders who crave power, range, and all-terrain capability in one bold package, the Deepower S8 stands ready, not just to ride, but to lead the way forward.